So VEVOR just gifted us this hydraulic truck crane, and this thing is awesome. It hooks into the hitch of your truck. It's got a couple adjustable legs here at the bottom so you can adjust the height depending on the height of your truck. It's got this handle here where you can loosen up. It's got a 360-degree swivel, so if you're on the job site and you need to move things around, you can turn them, lock it in place. Nice thing, it has multiple locations to attach your chain. The further out, the less weight you're going to be able to put on it. The 1,000-pound rating is going to be in here for your maximum lifting capacity. And then it gets a little lower as you go out further, but you get more of a reach. And then on this clasp here, you're able to hang, various straps and so forth. We're going to try it out in a minute. You have your 8-ton long ram jack right here. And it comes with this handle. And that's going to go right in there and allow you to pump it up. Lift that load. And right here is you got your pressure release, which is going to allow it to drop down to where you need it. Again, it's totally adjustable, and next thing we're going to do is we're going to lift a generator with this thing and see if it actually works. It is taking a weight. Alright, so I got it just about maxed out here, so you can see we get a lot of ground clearance with this. So if you got a heavy item like this, and you need to get it up in the air off the back of your truck, it is definitely doing it. And that generator is definitely not light. So let me show you how to drop it. So you're basically going to take your notch and you're going to slowly let the pressure out of your hydraulic pump. It's going to slowly let it down. Everything about this unit is very heavy duty. So all in all, this is a very well built unit. And again, if you're going to need this type of application to pick up heavy things around your truck bed, I definitely highly recommend this.